Hey there, my DIYers! Hey, tonight we're going to be working on this 2011 Ford Escape. The rear hatch does not open up, so I'm going to show you how to get into it, show you how to take everything apart, get the latch replaced, and before we get started on that, go down, hit that subscribe button for me, would you? Hit that bell when I get a new video come out, you'll get notified right away, and give me some feedback, give me some comments. If I didn't explain something good enough, hey, let's talk, and hey, let's get started. Like I said before, the latch, it doesn't open up, it's stuck shut, so it's not coming open. So the glass still works, no problem. What you have to do, here, come over here. Don't be afraid. You can see up there close. Let me get you turned around here. Oh, there we go. Now we can see. There we go. So right here, you get your hands on the top here and just give it a good push. It pops all these out on the top. What you'll need to do then is as you push it out, you can reach down here. There's a couple, there's another one right there. Push it down, open on this side. You can get that one popped out on that side. I've already had this apart once already, but I'm going to show you. As you get this opened up, you can then reach down inside of here and you can pull the latch up on the bottom. Let me show you on the latch, the new latch that I have. All right, here is the new one that's going in here. This is how it sets. So if I was to set it right back in here, this is the way it would set. As you look over the top, this is what you'll see on the inside. This is the latch that actually releases right here. You can hear the motor. The one that we have in here is stuck. It doesn't always release. It will release once in a while. The problem I had was usually what burns out is the motor. You can reach in here and pull this up like this and unlatch it and open the door. The problem I had, this would not release. It would not let it come up at all. So what I had to do is I'd stick a screwdriver in here and pop this thing out in order for it to open up. That was just something that happened to me. Something I'm passing on to you just in case it happens. So like I said, once you get your hand in there, you can go down here like this, grab that little lever right there, pull up on it, and it'll release the hatch and you can open it up. So like I said, as you reach in here, reach down, find that spot in there, you can pull up on it and your door, it comes open just that easy, just like that. So once you get this open, now like I said, I already have this open already. So as you open this up, you should have your 4 screws right across the top there. Take that down out of there. This is out of the way. Now then, we have these 3 screws that actually hold this piece in, and then on the top of it is a small plug that comes out of there. And I believe there's one more. So the one I just took out is this top one right here. And then there's one right down here that needs to come out also. Like I said, those 3 screws are these 3 spots right there on the bottom of that. So there is no adjustments to them, so they're pretty easy. Those 3 out, those 2 plugs, switch them out, we're good to go. Like I say, these 3 screws right here come out. And the new one falls right out. Now these did take a T25 Torx head to take those out. Instead we just got those 2 plugs to put back on. Alright, so we got everything put back together. All the pieces on the inside are put back in. The screws are in the bottom. There we go. Works much better now. Like I said, all we need for parts on this, or for tools on this one, is a Phillips screwdriver and a T25 Torx for the pieces on the bottom for the latch itself. So very easy project. Anybody could do this. And hey, you can find it on Amazon. It was about 1/3 of the cost that it was online. So I will set you the link down below, and we'll see you next time. And hit that subscribe button, guys. See you later.